Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear kids, how are you today? I hope that all of you are always in healthy condition in this massive pandemic era. Yeah, hopefully you always feel happy and also have high spirit in learning. Okay, well, today I'd like to make a review on this material about suggestion and also recommendation. Okay, I'm sure that all of you have learned about this material that I have uploaded in e-learning. Yeah, it is about 14 pages. Yeah, and I hope that you have read. Okay, I just make a review for at glance. Yeah. Well, students, the first you should understand about the expression used of asking suggestion. Yeah, for example, yeah, what should I do? Do you have any ideas? Do you have any suggestion for me? Can you tell me what should I do? Do you have any advice for me? Will you give me some suggestion, please? Any idea? Can you give me some advice about what do you recommend? Please tell me what should I do? Yeah. There are some examples, some expression that all of you can use for asking suggestion. And then after you can identify the expressions of asking suggestion, you should now some expression how to give suggestion. Jadi tadi untuk meminta saran, nah sekarang kalian juga harus tahu ekspresi yang digunakan untuk memberikan saran. Okay, kids, you can use you should, you need to, or you ought to. You had better, you ought to, I think you should, I advise you to, I suggest you to, I suggest that I recommend you to. Maybe you should. Okay. And then after understanding about giving suggestion, you can also identify expression used for agreeing the suggestion. Yeah, agreeing means you accept the suggestion. Ya, jadi kamu menerima ya apa yang disarankan oleh teman kamu atau orang lain. Okay, some expressions that can you use for agreeing the suggestion are I agree with you. I think you are right. I think so. That's good idea. That's right. Thanks. I will try your advice. That sounds great. Because suggestion is optional, yeah, it means that uh, you can accept or reject the idea given by your friend. So you can agree with the suggestion or you can disagree with the suggestion. Jadi karena suggestion, saran itu sifatnya opsional ya, bahwa kalian bisa menerima ataupun menolak saran tersebut ya. Jadi tadi bisa kalian pahami bahwa menyetujui saran itu ada beberapa yang sudah Ibu contohkan ya, tadi Ibu ulangi lagi, I agree with you, I think you were right, I think so, that's a good idea, that's right, thanks, I will try your advice, and that sounds great. Those are expressions used for agreeing the suggestion. And then fourth, if you disagree with the suggestion or if you reject with the suggestion, you can use, for examples, no, I don't think so. I disagree with you. That's not a good idea. And I understand your point, but I think blah blah blah. Once again, when you reject or you disagree with the suggestion, you can use no, I don't think so. I disagree with you. That's not a good idea. I understand your point, but I think, yeah, that's about expression used to ask suggestion, to give suggestion, to agree with the suggestion, and the last, disagree with the suggestion. Okay, well, you can explore further about the material of recommendation and suggestion in this module. Yeah, there are conversation that you can learn and you can read by yourself independently. Okay, next. The second about recommendation. Yeah. Okay. Recommendation is stronger than suggestion. Yeah. Recommendation is given to a person who also need advice, but uh, it is given based on the personal experience ya. Jadi kalau rekomendasi itu lebih berdasarkan pada pengalaman seseorang ya. For example, it is about an hotel, restoran ya, uh, cinema, bla 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 ya, or about tourism places ya. It is based on personal experience yeah that uh, someone can give to other people that she or he has experience, especially for a good experience ya. Ya, jadi biasanya itu karena mengalami ataupun merasakan pelayanan yang baik terhadap suatu restoran itu, maka orang itu akan merekomendasikan bahwa restoran itu untuk, bisa dikunjungi ya atau bisa eee, kita datang ke sana ya. Oke, this recommendation ya. I recommend you to ya, like that ya. Jadi untuk rekomendasi itu, eee, ekspresinya, bisa kalian lihat juga di situ ya. Untuk lebih mengingat lagi ya, my recommendation is like that. I recommend you to blah 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 ya, like that ya. And then in the last material of this basic competence is about learning recommendation letter ya. Jadi dalam akhir bab ini kalian juga harus mempelajari atau bisa mengidentifikasi ataupun memahami surat rekomendasi ya. Oke. Jadi seperti yang kalian baca, seperti yang kalian amati pada UKBM itu ada beberapa contoh rekomendasi ya. Iya, jadi dalam menulis rekomendasi itu uh, awalnya ya, karena ini surat formal ya, jadi the best way to write a letter of recommendation is to start out with a formal greeting ya. Jadi harus menggunakan salam yang formal ya. Biasanya itu salam yang digunakan itu to whom it may concern ya. Ya, biasanya ini digunakan apabila kalian tidak tahu penerimanya itu siapa. Ya, jadi kalian berikan salam dengan 2 atau kalimat, pujian kepada orang yang sedang kalian rekomendasikan. Kemudian jelaskan ya seberapa, jauh kalian mengenal orang tersebut dan kenapa dia itu layak atau mempunyai kualifikasi sehingga, eee, seseorang itu merekomendasikan dia, ya. Misalnya bisa dengan menceritakan, kualifikasinya, kemudian kesuksesannya ya dalam isi surat tersebut dan, eee, kelayakan dia, bisa dari prestasi, kinerjanya, loyalitas, sehingga orang tersebut layak untuk menduduki posisi atau pekerjaan tersebut. Kemudian jangan lupa selalu gunakan standar penulisan yang formal. Iya, sudah Ibu tulis secara lengkap itu ya di OKBM ya. Tinggal, kalian baca secara rinci ya, dari formal letter yang berisikan dengan, eee, apa tadi, greeting ya, kemudian pujian ya, tentang orang yang akan direkomendasikan, kemudian seberapa jauh, eee, kita tahu kualitas orang tersebut ya. Kemudian kita juga tahu kualifikasi dan, eee, kesuksesan dia ya. Jadi kita harus memberikan hal-hal tersebut untuk meyakinkan bahwa seseorang itu yang kita rekomendasikan itu layak untuk menduduki suatu pekerjaan atau posisi tertentu ataupun layak, misalnya melanjutkan kuliah ya jika itu untuk, eee, studi lanjut ya ataupun untuk, memperoleh scholarship atau beasiswa. Jadi yang namanya rekomendasi itu menceritakan ya keunggulan ataupun kualifikasi dari orang yang kita rekomendasikan, itu intinya ya. Oke. Dan, eee, setelah kita sebutkan semuanya, nanti surat rekomendasi itu ditutup ya, close the letter affirmatively ya. Kita tutup dengan, ungkapan-ungkapan yang bisa kalian contohkan di UKBM, misalnya, "For all of these reasons, I think Michael will make a fine addition to your team," ya. And also, you can use a business closing ya, bisa juga dengan menggunakan, ekspresi penutup dan juga, nama yang memberi rekomendasi ya. Misalnya yang bisa kalian baca pada UKBM, kompetensi dasar ini misalnya, "Above all, be professional. If, uh, you are sending a physical letter, print out and sign by hand. Otherwise, just typing your name will do." Yeah, you can use the last greeting, yeah, or closing by writing sincerely, best regards, thank you. Yeah. Okay, that's about my review on making a recommendation letter. Yeah. Yeah, there are some example and also some exercise that you can do it. You can read by yourself. Yeah. Once again, uh, it is my review about this material. I think it is not a complicated material. Yeah, I think it is easy material. It is just expressions how to convey or how to express, asking suggestion, giving suggestion, agreeing and also disagreeing on suggestion. And also, it is the material about giving recommendation to somebody else. Okay, I think that's all for my review. Hopefully that you can understand and you can have high motivation in learning independently. Yeah. Uh, if you make a great effort, I think that the result will be better. Yeah. No effort, no result. Yeah. But high effort will be higher result you have. Okay. Thank you very much with your attention and always happy in learning. Yeah. Good luck. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.